Into it. Yum, yum, yum. 2.5 carats in a 5-stone band. Big, bold, gorgeous, perfect for stacking, and just class all the way. This comes in yellow gold and white gold. They're 14 karat gold. It's also going to come in our specialty packaging if you are doing some holiday shopping. What I would do first is decide what shape I like. So moving down to the front row here, we'll just walk you through the shapes. Over here we have got your quintessential classic in the round shape. Look at that's what 2.5 carats looks like on your finger. Now the round shape is the classic customer's really favorite, without a doubt. It's the #1 cut in the whole world for diamonds. And the reason is it releases so much light. You get more light from those rounds than you do any other cut. Next door, we go to the oval. Now what I want to point out here is look, the oval and the round, they look like the oval is much bigger, right? The carat weight is exactly the same at 2.5 carats. The reason people love an oval cut is because it's a more shallow cut and it's got about 10% larger table on it. So it gives you the visual look of bigger diamonds. So if you want the look of more like a 4 carat band for the price of a 2.5, then go for the oval. If you're a classic customer, go for the round. But here is the sleeper right over here. This very shishi-foo-foo emerald cut House of Mirrors piece. And again, you have to use the highest degrees of clarity to make that sing the way it's singing right here. There have been so many celebrities that have gotten on board, Beyonce being one of them, who wore a beautiful emerald ring, emerald cut. This is emerald shape and emerald cut, by the way. They're all gorgeous. So which one do you druther? Do you like the round? Do you like the oval? Or do you like the emerald? That's choice #1. Choice #2 is, do you want the white that I just showed you? Or are you more interested in the yellow gold? You really don't see much of the gold presence at all, and part of that, or color I mean, much of the gold color at all, part of that is just the quality of the piece itself and the fact that the tips of the prongs are rhodium plated. Rhodium has that white, bright finish. It's a really expensive metal. It's a derivative of platinum, actually. And so it disappears against the diamond. So it doesn't detract. Sometimes yellow gold, if they use a yellow prong, it casts yellow into the setting, but that doesn't happen here. All you see is the bright sparkle of each and every one of them. So I don't know which one you're buying, but I do know that I like them both a whole bunch. And 2.5 carats, this could be a wedding band. It could be a right-handed ring. They say our left hand rocks the cradle and our right hand rules the world. And you're going to feel like you're ruling the world in this without a doubt. Here's where we stand as far as sizing. Now this would be my second choice. I would say pick the shape, then pick the size, because I wouldn't size these. The stones are too big and they were actually designed for the size. So in the round in white, we had size 4 through 11 available. In the round in yellow gold, we have size 4, size 6, size 7, size 9, and size 10. In the oval, the one that's in the middle, the gorgeous oval with a little bigger look, we have got in white, size 6, size 8, and size 10. In yellow in the oval, I've got size 5 through 8 and size 11. And then the emerald cut that you're looking at on your screen, oops, just went away. That comes in white gold in size 4 through 10, and in yellow gold, size 5 through 8. So I hope that helps you make a decision. Again, you know the shapes, you know what sizes are available in the different shapes. Now, what color gold do you need? What do you think? If you can't get the size that was your first choice, just put it on a different finger. Instead of wearing it on a ring finger, maybe you move it to the middle finger. Or a lot of folks, including, I remember when I presented this with Courtney Kandabi not too long ago, she loved it on her index finger. And that does look really good. You can put it next to just a solid band. Maybe when you got married, that's the way you went. Maybe you decided to go with the solid yellow gold wedding band. Now jazz it up a little bit with 2.5 carats and diamonds. And you just put it, right there next to it, and it looks great. Now, for those of you that did just join us, I want to give you a moment and kind of give you a primer, if you will, on the difference between firelight and natural diamonds or other things. First of all, they are both diamonds. You can see working from the top down. They have the same chemical, physical, and optical structure as their counterpart. So lab-grown diamonds and diamonds from the earth are the same because they are both diamonds. They have a 10 on the Mohs rating scale. One is grown from the seed of a diamond. One grows naturally over billions of years of time. They are scratch resistant. They are durable. What they are not is they are not simulants. Now here's something that people don't realize until you really kind of dig or look under the hood here. Anything can be called a diamond simulant. Anything in the world. It just has to sort of look like a diamond to be called a diamond simulant. So when I was studying with the Gemological Institute of America, you go through these little tests along the way, and they're hard. All right, it takes a long time to become a GG or to get your certifications with the Gemological Institute of America, and you have to pass a whole lot of tests along the way. One of them I got wrong in one of the tests that I took, and I was really frustrated by this because I said it was a faux, a fake. And I wasn't wrong, but the correct answer is that it was a diamond simulant. Do you know what it actually was? It was a piece of gravel from an aquarium. That could be called a diamond simulant. A piece of plastic can be called a diamond simulant. Anything that just sort of looks like a diamond is a diamond simulant. That is not what you're getting here. You are getting diamond all the way through. You are looking at 100% diamond that started with the seed of a diamond and then grew over time into these beautiful babies that you see out here on the set. I had a chance to go and watch them grow, and it was fascinating. I looked into the canister. Again, it's one seed, one diamond. They grow them one at a time, and not every one turns out the way you see it here. I met the lead chemist at the facility, and I spent a lot of time with him, and I learned a whole bunch, but I have such an appreciation for what goes into this. This actually started, this whole idea of growing diamonds, started back in the 1950s by General Electric. They were growing diamonds for industrial purposes. They needed abrasives, and so they were growing them for that. And then over the years, from the 1950s and beyond, this whole process has been refined so that they can now grow gem-grade quality diamonds at a fraction of the time that Mother Nature does. Because they're grown faster, they're less expensive. I mean, we're talking about, you can now get about twice as much carat weight as you could in natural diamonds, and you can get higher degrees of clarity. So I hope you enjoy. Again, take it home, try it on, see what you think. There's some great things ahead for you. Now, if you want white gold in the oval, we only have 10, so don't wait there. In the oval in white, we do have size 6, 8, and 10, so that's good. The yellow, oh no, I'm sorry. That's what you were just telling me. Once more, in the white oval, there is just 10 remaining, and 20 in the yellow. Oh boy, well that won't take long, right? Good luck, everybody, and don't forget to check out of your shopping carts. That would be a crying shame. I know with the holidays coming, you have plans. You and that ring have plans, right?